Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Mythical Dave here, and welcome back to some more Pixel 3D. And today I am going to go to the workshop arenas. I'm just kidding. I pretty much just made that up, guys. The workshop arenas, but we're going to go to the maps that are really similar to workshops and all that stuff. And there's a lot of them, to be honest. Anyways, before we do that, let's go open up a little lucky chest. I'm gonna try to make this video long, like a little bit longer than most of my videos. Pretty much like 12 minutes, I guess. I think. I just don't really like recording that much, but you guys get what I mean. I'm always late with everything. I haven't posted for like 2 days, which that's exactly my upload schedule. Uh, I mean, I can just say that I can post a lot, but I just don't think it's that worth it. Okay, come on, game. Updating. Okay, 2 coins all just for that. Um, so anyways, let's get into the maps here. We're gonna go into Toy Factory for our first one. Let's do this. Hopefully we get some good players. Not like really horrible players, to be honest. I don't really think it's fair. I mean, man, Pixel 30, you guys need to nerf some stuff. Like, you guys gotta take out less levels and all that stuff. Just, you guys gotta try to. Just remove the OP weapons and I'll be happy. Okay. Okay. So, here we go. Alright, there's a guy over here. What is he doing? Oh, great. It's not gonna be easy, isn't it? Okay. Did we got that? No, we didn't. Okay. I think we got it, right? Nope. You're kidding me. Alright. Did upgrade my submachine gun a little bit. Okay, this is gonna be pretty hard. Okay, we got a kill. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna have to switch to the sniper. Okay. Okay. There's a guy standing there. Okay. Let's go with this. Oh god. Hopefully that gets him trapped. Okay. Alright, everything is going really crazy. What is this guy doing? Come on, we gotta destroy him with the Frozen Dragon. Is all my weapons, or all of my weapons, like really underpowered now? To be honest, I really don't like this game anymore. They just really make these weapons OP. Even these underpowered weapons, like the combat rifle, are starting to become OP now, which really doesn't make sense. But at least we got that guy. Alright. Hopefully I did. Alright. We got a defeat. I really don't care. Man, I guess the only reason why is because there's literally like 2 people who are using the most overpowered weapons. And I just don't like stand a chance with that. Alright, let's go to a different map. So here we go. You know what? We should probably go into one of these types of, I don't know, these type of modes that we can go into, like what I mean right now. Alright, we're gonna try it in. Alright. So, I think we have another one that's similar, right? I don't know. You know what? We're gonna go into private. Uh, okay. I don't know if we need a match where there's a whole bunch of people. Which one could it be? Hmm. I would like to go into warehouse cell, but there's only one person. Like, come on, like, we need more people. There's nothing, there's no map where I can go to. Okay, 2 people have went in there. What is it? Oh, okay, okay, yeah, I'm not gonna remember all that. I don't know what we can go into, guys. I really want to go into a workshop map. Is there no, like... Oh my god, I'm gonna waste my time, am I? Trying to find where to go. You know what? I think... You know what? Let's not go into this. I think we should go into a deathmatch. It's so hard to find one. You know what? We're just gonna go here and... Let's go into Christmas Town. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. How long have I been recording? I don't think it tells me how long. Just, I don't know, like, how long. You guys will obviously know once this video gets published. So here we go. Christmas Town it is. Better be good. Now, there is a lot of maps that Pixelgun has removed, but has not brought it back, which is pretty disappointing. So, here we go. Okay, I'm about to... Okay, there seems to be a lot of people from the other team, and I just screwed myself up. Okay. Okay, oh my god, this map is stressful. Okay, throw a grenade. Hopefully that should have got somebody. Man, these OP weapons. I need to start, like, spending money right now. Believe it or not. Once there's an offer, I swear to God, I am going to buy one. Where it has, like, a discount. Where I can actually buy parts and stuff. Okay, Pro Master. You're not going to be the pro anymore. Once I take you down. Never mind. There seems to be this gadget. The top one. I don't know why. It just shows up randomly. Like, is this a glitch or something? I've been getting that most of my videos. Okay, there's a guy over here. Alright, that should have took him down. It didn't, did it? Okay. So many OP weapons. Okay. Ooh. I don't know why, but I think the railgun is the only option, to be honest. My game is lagging, and it's probably gonna ruin the whole entire recording. Okay. Alright, you know what? I think we're gonna leave this match. I think it's a good idea. We're gonna have to leave. Alright, let's just leave this. I just don't feel like recording, but I have to. I feel like my commentary is horrible. I just feel like I want to punch myself in the face. I don't know why, believe it or not. Okay. Okay, so let's go into some other modes. There is some other ones I can go to. You know what? We should go. Let's go sniper tournament. There's this new mini games that you can actually go to. So I'll just go here for the moment. Alright. Alright, that's cool. Alright. So I don't know how long I have to record. I will record so much in this video, a little bit more than I usually do, so I'm gonna try doing that too. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a victory. Alright, so we're on teams. Okay. Okay, headshot. I can't move or anything. I don't know if you guys see anybody. And I think I'm screwed. Okay, got one. I don't know how he killed me, even though I killed him, which doesn't make any sense to have to change position. Okay. Alright, got one. He was about to change. Okay. I'm a little bit aware that I'm gonna get sniped. They seem to be using underpowered snipers. Alright, I just got sniped by an overpowered sniper. Alright, hello, bud. Okay. I don't think we're gonna win this. We only have 3 seconds to respawn. Yeah, we're gonna lose this. I just have a horrible day today. I just been through a whole entire day, like a bad day. And it's almost the end of the day, so I just have to record this video. Alright, we're done with this mode. We're gonna go into, let's go back to another workshop map. I was just going into this map, or mode, whatever you want to call it, because I was like, oh, it's a new mode. I haven't really seen it or just played it. But let's just do this. I don't know where to go. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? Let's go Atlantis. I think I thought about going there, and then warehouse. So if we have time. All right, here we go. Our team seems to be winning. All right, hopefully we have a good match. Okay. Alright, and the team has really underpowered weapons. The other team. Oh. Oh, come on. I swear, I thought we were going to get that kill. Thank you for the kill. And I really haven't... Alright, I got a voice crack. Alright. My voice cracked. Just like last episode. I'm assuming. Alright. That has to be the worst I have ever gotten one. Ooh, I was gonna say if that actually... Oh, okay. Nope. Okay. Well, I said that I was gonna have a bad day, but I guess it turned out to be a pretty good day. Oh. Alright, he is right behind me. Oh my god. Alright. That Manticore. kind of OP. I mean, it's not really OP. I mean, there is some weapons that are way more OP than that, believe it or not. And the match is about to be over that quick. Alright, I can click on that gadget that I have, that I told you guys earlier this episode. I just can't. Alright, 10 seconds.